welcome back. So I have another monthly subscription box to open today, and this is my Boxy Charm for the month of May. I know it's late because I was gone, but I'm still going to open it up and show you guys what I got if you'd like to see. So let's go ahead and open this puppy up. And I don't know what's in here this month because I haven't watched any videos or anything or looked for spoilers or anything. So I'm going to be very surprised this month. Anywho, let me go ahead and take out the card and see what it says. So it says Boxy Bash. Scan the QR code to unlock our exclusive giveaways and promos. Okay, very, very cute. So it looks like they're trying different things with their cards. I believe last month we got like a different trifold type of card, and this month it looks very, very different than the usual cards. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep this out so that I will know what I'm looking at in my box. And seeing as how I already know I can't read this teeny tiny writing on this card, I don't know if you guys can see how small that writing is. Yeah, we'll go ahead and put these on right quick. So let me just grab, ooh, this looks like a very nice box. Okay, so let me go ahead and pull out the first item. So this is from Cover Effects, and it says Blurring Primer. And this is a very nice size sample, very nice size sample. This is what it looks like. Very, very cool. And so it says here for this, Cover Effects Blurring Primer, a lightweight soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. It says it retails for $38. So this is a really, really nice item to get in this month's box, and it is a very nice size. Thank you very much. So I'm definitely looking forward to using this. That's the first item. Okay, the next item I have here is a brush, and it looks like a nice big large brush here. So let me go ahead, and I usually don't open my brushes because a lot of times I give them away, but I am curious to see what this one looks like. And so it says on here Aesthetica P12. That is what, let me take it all the way out. That is what it says on here, if you can see that. Aesthetica P12. And this is what the brush actually looks like. So it says here, Aesthetica P12 face brush with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. So this, oh, and it is very, very, very soft. So this is a very nice brush, you guys. Very nice. It looks like a brush that I will be keeping instead of giving away. So this is second item that I pulled out of my box. Next item is another brush set. So there are 3 items in here. Very, very cute. I don't know if I'm going to open this, but this is what this set looks like. So there's a spoolie brush. It looks like an eyeliner brush and also a flat angled brush in here. So this one says Aesthetica as well. 3-piece eye trio. The Aesthetica Trio series comes with an angled eyeliner brush, brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. A convenient 3-in-1 used for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. So this is pretty cool. This I will go ahead and leave in the packaging because I think I probably will end up giving this away. Next I have here, oh, what looks like a very nice lipstick or lip gloss. And this is from Beauty Creations, and it looks like it's specifically for Boxy Charm because there's a Boxy Charm logo on there, some cute little lips, and it says matte lip gloss. I've never heard of a matte lip gloss, but let's go ahead and check it out and see what it says. It says here, Beauty Creations. Oh, the P12 face brush retails for $27, and the 3-piece eye trio retails for $45. $45 for the trio brush set. Okay, anyway, back to this Beauty Creations Liquid Lip Gloss. Now see on here it says liquid lip gloss, on here it says matte lip gloss. I don't know if that matters. But it says Beauty Creations matte liquid. Now it says a matte liquid lip gloss is specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. So this has a retail value of $10. So let me go ahead and open this up. What color is this? Ooh, Sweetheart. So this is in the shade Sweetheart. Let's check it out. So this is a very, very pretty shade. If you can see that, it looks like a really, really pretty light, just kind of like rosy pink shade. So this is very pretty. Let me go ahead and swatch it. Let me swatch it. Okay, so yeah, it kind of reminds me of like a dusty rose. Very, very pretty. And it smells really good. It smells very, very good. So yeah, that is from Beauty Creations. And so I have one more item in my box to show you guys. And it is in this nice little container that looks like the old school ink bottles that they used to use to write letters and stuff with. So this is what that looks like. Now this is from Pretty Vulgar, and it says the ink gel eyeliner. That's what it says this is. This highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water-resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day, and it retails for $24. So this, I actually did see someone getting this in their Boxy Charm box, and I remember being excited about it because I do want to play around a little bit more with gel eyeliners. So I'm very, very curious to see how this one does. I'm just gonna take a regular little small brush and just dip in here because I'm, ooh, okay. Okay. I'm just curious on the consistency of it. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but okay. That is nice. So it's very pigmented, very smooth and creamy. I like it a lot. So I think actually I might not be giving this set away because it looks like that eyeliner brush in here will work perfectly with this gel eyeliner. So I think this is going to stay with Mama. But this is what that brush looks like. It has a little clear tube on it, but it's just a really very, very thin eyeliner brush to use with this gel liner. So I guess I'll be keeping these. Anywho, so that's everything from my box. Oh no, it's not. There's a palette in here. Wait, hold up, hold up. Oh my goodness. I almost missed an item. Hold on now. This is a pretty bomb box this month. Okay. So here underneath my little cushion is an actual palette in the box that I almost missed. So it says here that this is a pure sculptor palette, a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters, 2 matte contour shades that will leave the skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. And this retails for $30. What? Okay. I ain't mad at you, Pure. So it comes in that box, and then this has a nice little plastic covering over it. So let me open this up so I could take a look at this cute little sculpting palette. So this is what it looks like. Very pretty packaging. You can see the texture on there. And let me open this up. Very pretty. So there's a mirror in here, and these are the actual shades that are in here. So these are the 2 highlighter shades, and then these are the 2 contouring shades. And it looks like these shades are actually dark enough to work for me. Go figure. So that is really exciting that there's actually a contour shade in here that I can use. So let me go ahead and just swatch some of these. You probably won't be able to see the contour shades that well, but I want to just go ahead and show you what these shades look like. So this is the swatches from this palette. You can see the 2 contour shades on the bottom, and then the 2 highlighter shades on the top are actually very, very pretty. And I will definitely be able to get some use out of this. And I almost missed it in my box. Oh my goodness. So I got a really, really great box this month, you guys. I'm pretty excited about it. I got the sculpting palette. I got the blurring primer. I got the Pretty Vulgar eyeliner, which is the bomb. I got a 3-piece brush set as well as a nice big face brush. And I also got a really, really pretty shade of a liquid matte lip gloss. I'm very, very happy with my Boxy Charm box this month. It is actually the bomb, and I can't wait to try these products out. So anywho, that's it for my Boxy Charm for the month of May. Hopefully you enjoyed watching my video. Please look for the rest of my monthly subscription boxes this month because I got a bunch of them while I was out of town. So I'm about to film all of these videos. So make sure you check them all out, and I will see you on my next video. Toodles!